Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to make animated slides in Google Slides. First, open up your Google Slides, then choose what you would like to animate. For example, I want to animate the text here, so simply just select it and then right click and click on Animate. You will get a box on the right side to add changes in the animation. For example, you can select how you want the text to be animated from here. There are numerous options to choose from. You can try each one out and decide. I am going to choose Fly in from left. From here, you can choose on how to initiate the animation. You will get three options, which are On Click, which starts playing the animation as soon as you click on the screen, and the other two options start playing the animation automatically. You can choose the option as per your desire. I am going to choose with previous. Then with this bar you can choose the speed of the animation. To test the animation, simply just click on play, and that's how you can animate slides in Google Slides. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.